how to connect Phantom Wallet to DEXScreener. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to connect your wallet so that you could trade with your cryptocurrencies or different currencies that you have in your Phantom Wallet. So what we're going to do is you're going to click on your explore button over here on the top right or your main menu, and you will see this pop up over here. So what you're going to select is the sign in button over here that you could see on the top right area as well. And you can see here at the bottom option, we have the option connect wallet. So if you click on connect wallet, you will see you will be able to select the different wallets that you could connect. So simply click on get a wallet over here and simply select the option that would appear where you will be able to enter wallet information. And of course, the wallet information that you're going to enter inside of DEXScreener is your Phantom wallet. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.